I ran up a check, I might do it again. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, add it up. Add it up, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Then we lay low.
Just completed and we're about to deliver our Chevy Silverado, our latest Ixuviate project. So this truck's right behind me was actually completely red. It's almost a brand new truck. Customer said, can't do the red, it's got to be white, all my cars are white. So I think we absolutely crushed that. So we actually went to a custom matte Ixuviate in this Arctic white, so it's actually the same color as his GM Corvette. Matching white on the brake calipers. We blacked out a lot of the accessories. We also did gloss black in the same Ixuviate on the roof. So some of the benefits that AB is getting here with this Ixuviate project as opposed to traditional vinyl is even some of these complex shapes that you see, like the rivet holes, the door jambs, things like that, it's complete coverage because this product is actually sprayed on. It is not something that's laid on like traditional vinyl. There's no adhesive, so there's no seams, there's no peeling, no lifting, no edges at all. But the greatest thing is it's completely removable. It's also as thick as traditional paint protection film. So he's getting the benefits of protection like you would with traditional clear bra, and you're also getting the customization feature of essentially repainting your entire vehicle, but it being completely removable later on. So I could remove this entire panel and have the whole thing be OEM red underneath.
Holy fucking shit.
Looks a little different, huh?
A little different? Dang, this looks good. Man, this is sick. This is sick, honestly. I mean, I knew it was gonna look good, but not this good. You guys did amazing. Look.
You can just peel it off.
Oh.
And then so that's exactly what's on the truck now.
This is amazing.
All right, so if you guys are interested in Ixuviate color change for your vehicle, hit us up at ixexotics.org.